Guys, okay, so today's video is going to be on, first of all, before I get started, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here visiting, and we're gonna get started. Today's video is going to be this little bad boy right here. I created her with charcoal and my CarbOthello Stabilo chalk pastel pencils, because I love them and I thought it would be fun. And I did it on tone. Here's the colors. Here's my pencils. So many choices. Delicious. This is a smaller set. This is only 36. And I did it on the tone gray mixed media paper. Super fun. And I used my blending stumps. I like to keep blending stumps for the color families, the cools and the warms, so they don't get muddy when I use them. I used some soft charcoal pencils to do the outlining, and then I used a couple white charcoal pencils to do some of the highlights and stuff in there. As well as, first thing I did, you'll see, and I also used my gesso, my Liquitex gesso acrylic paint, and then I will seal this because it is chalk with my workable fixative from Krylon. Works really well. I usually don't go back on top of it once I've sealed it, but you can. With this one, the workable one, you can if you need to, but I don't typically do that. I am finished. I just want to say thanks for being here. If you want to keep up to date on my How To Tuesdays, please like, subscribe, and click that bell. Clicking the bell will let you notify when I have posted, or will notify you when I have posted my next video for How To Tuesday. Okay? Thanks for being here. I love you guys. Also, join me on Next Generation Art. It's my private Facebook page, and it's a lot of fun. It has weekly prompts and challenges. If you're one of those people that likes to not really think about things, but just have something prompted for you, it's the perfect environment, full of great, awesome, wonderful, kind-hearted, like-minded people. So join us there. All right, thanks for being here. Let's get started.